Hello, this is Samie and I welcome you all to eAcademe from the platform of CA Educationist. Two of the most commonly used terms in the subjects of accounting and finance are profit margin and profit markup. These terminologies often get confusing in terms of their basic concepts and applications. Profit margin, or simply margin, is the profit that is expressed as percentage of sale price. On the other hand, profit markup, or simply markup, is the profit that is expressed as percentage of cost. For instance, if sale price is $100 and cost is $80, it is obvious that the profit will be $20. In this case, profit margin is 20%, which is computed as $20 divided by $100, whereas markup in this example is 25%, which is computed as $20 divided by $80. This means if sale price and percentage of margin is given, figure of profit can be computed by multiplying sale price with margin percentage. Likewise, if cost and percentage of markup is given, figure of profit can be computed by multiplying cost with markup percentage. This is a fairly simple calculation. However, it becomes often confusing to compute sale price when cost is available along with margin or markup percentage. The formula to compute sale price when cost is available along with margin percentage is sale price equals cost over 1 minus margin percentage, where 1 minus margin percentage is actually cost expressed as percentage of sale price. For example, if cost is $80 and profit margin is 20%, sale price will be computed by dividing $80 with 1 minus 20%, which means $80 will be divided with 0.8. This will give you the sale price of $100. There is also a shortcut to compute cost as percentage of sale price. If profit margin is 20% of sale price, it means that cost is 80% of sales price. So, in the context of our example, cost of $80 can straight away be divided by 80% to compute the sale price of $100. The formula to compute sale price when cost is available along with markup percentage is comparatively simple. Sale price can be computed by multiplying the cost with 1 plus markup percentage. For example, if cost is $80 and profit markup is 25%, sale price will be computed by multiplying $80 with 1.25. This will give you the sale price of $100. Interestingly, there is an alternative way to compute the missing values of sale price and cost using equation of profit. Since sale price less cost equals profit, this forms an equation. Now, if margin percentage is given, for instance 30%, this equation can be expressed as sale price less cost equals 30% of sale price. This equation can be rearranged like this. Now, this equation can be used to compute sale price if the value of cost is given or cost if sale price is given. Likewise, if markup percentage is given, for instance 35%, this equation can be expressed as sale price less cost equals 35% of cost. This equation can be rearranged like this. Just like the example of margin, this equation can be used to compute sale price or cost given the other value. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos, keep watching the series of eAcademe from the platform of CA Educationist by Samie. For any queries, you may WhatsApp or email at the given contact details.